Hey guys, it's me ILVA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I will be journaling about BTS's new comeback Yet To Come, and also we'll do a little Q&A. So I hope you're excited about today's video. But before we get started, I want to apologize for not posting in such a long time. I feel like it's been 3 or 2 months. I'm not sure. It's been a long time, and thank you for your patience and your support over on my Instagram. I really appreciate it. I've decided to post on Tuesdays and Fridays during summer, and also a lot of shorts videos will be posted here on YouTube and over on my Instagram. So go follow me on my Instagram at ilva.crafts. Now let's get started with the questions. The first question, how old are you? I was born in 2006, so right here, right now, I am 15 years old. Why did you decide to open a YouTube channel? To be honest, I was 10 years old and me and my brother just started posting some videos on YouTube. They were just so random and so bad quality. I feel like just because we were curious on how YouTube works, but we started growing up and we took it more seriously, and right now I'm making better content, I feel like. What inspires you to create? I feel like it's not a specific thing that inspires me. I feel like I get inspired by everyday life, listening to music by other artists, just sitting down and meditating. I feel like everyday life inspires me to create. What journal do you use? I don't know what brand this journal that I'm using right now is. I just went to the store, I liked this journal and I bought it for like less than $5. But I don't know what the brand it is. I just go to the store, like the notebook and take it with me. What's your aesthetic? To be honest, I'm not really sure what this means. I feel like it's based on your clothing style, your favorite color, or the music that you listen to. I don't know what my aesthetic is. I'm trying to figure it out. But I've heard of this cottagecore aesthetic. I feel like I really like it, but I would never be that aesthetic. How did you become an ARMY? During 2020, when Dynamite dropped, I was like, wow, BTS posted a new song, let's check it out. I listened to Dynamite and I just fell in love with the song in the first listen, so I was more curious to listen to more of their discography. I listened to Mic Drop and I was like in love with the song. After I listened to Da, I was like, I'm an ARMY. I'm officially an ARMY. So yeah, it was just a random day, chilling. I listened to BTS, I became an ARMY. What's your favorite color? If you don't know already, my favorite color is orange, but I also like light green, matcha green, and also lilac. It's a really pretty shade of purple. I like that color too. How do you edit your videos? For editing my videos, I use Premiere Pro CC 2019, and to be honest, I don't know how I edit them. I basically just sit down and start editing. Some random editing ideas come to my mind and I just edit the video. That's basically it. How long does it take to make a video? It depends on the video that I'm filming. For example, for this video right now, it took me about 3 hours to film the video, then 2 hours, 3 hours to edit the video, and I just had to upload it for like 2-3 hours. But that doesn't count because while uploading, I'll do something else. But I would say for making the video, for exporting it, it takes 6 hours, I would say. But for short videos, it takes less. It takes 3 hours, I would say. How do you spend your free time? There are a bunch of things I'd like to do in my free time. Except filming videos and journaling, I like to read, I like to sketch, I like to do nothing. I like to listening to music, and so many other things. What's your favorite BTS song? To be honest, I can't pick a favorite, but I have a few songs that I loved in the first listen and I listened to them non-stop. My absolute favorite is Blue and Gray, maybe because that was the era that I fell in love with BTS. And also The Truth Untold, oh I love that song, plus Euphoria, the best solo song. Favorite music to listen to. You guys know that I like listening to Taylor Swift and BTS, but recently I just go on YouTube and decide to listen to some new songs that are out, especially pop rock. I really like this genre of music, and also just new songs that come out. Favorite school subject. I would say that I don't have a favorite school subject. If I pick one right now, it would be biology. But when I think about it, no. I like biology a little bit more than the others, but right now, after school finished, I don't have a favorite. Your favorite video on YouTube. I really like this video where I also showed my face. It was like a get ready with me or how to prepare your backpack for back to school. I will link it down below if you want to check it out. But I feel like I did a really good job at filming and editing this video. The lighting was very good too. And the thumbnail has to be one of my favorites. How are you? Thank you to everyone for asking this question. Right now, I'm very good. I'm very chill. I'm very happy. I am enjoying summer so much. Right now, I understand how much I missed summer. And I'm filming videos, which makes me happy. So I'm very good right now. When are you posting again? Today is the comeback day, let's say. I will start posting on Tuesdays and Fridays. Hopefully I'll make it. And also a lot of shorts videos are coming over on YouTube and Instagram. Okay guys, this is the end of the interview. Thank you for all your questions. I had so much time making this video and I hope that you liked how the spread turned out. I really like the colors, the layering, and I feel like this spread is a definition of my journaling style. I really love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. I love you, craft. Bye. This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. If you have anything else to say, just bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crowd!